As Hōkūleʻa and Hikianalia continue on their initial legs of this epic worldwide voyage, we at ʻŌiwiTV are honored to document this adventure. ʻŌiwi makahana ka'ike, we're doing some training of our own to make sure that we are prepared to bring you the best of the best.
We've had the privilege to do all sorts of jobs. We've been up to the northwestern Hawaiian Islands. We've been to all kind of different venues that really set us up in a great way to be able to execute a job such as this.
In the past, we've done stories in Norway, in Tahiti, and different locations around the world. But I think for this worldwide voyage, the thing that's really different is that instead of just flying to this destination and getting there and doing stories, we're trying to capture the stories that's happening as on the journey as they unfold on board Hōkūleʻa and Hikianalia.
We've had a lot of preparation in the shooting half, but all of that has been on land. And that what we're asking now photographers and editors to do is take that knowledge that we've done on land and now do it on a canoe and be a canoe crew member as well.
Bring everything in tight and we'll see how high we can point.
I'm not too ma'o to being on board. I have experience shooting here and there and editing and whatnot, but literally being on a different platform can be really challenging.
It's never been done before, and that means it'll never be done again. This is the first time. It's going to be the only time with this type of experience. Taking these type of wa'as around the world has never been done. Understanding that it's not the same, understanding that the boat's going to be rocking and rolling, and understanding also that you are going to become part of the crew. So not only are you going to have to be filmmakers and video people, you're also going to have to be able to learn how to run the boat as well.
It also has to do with the crew being comfortable with you, being on a relatively small area for such a long time, it's necessary to get to know these crews, and so that's where the most interesting things happen on board, between people as they build these relationships.
When we talk about the core work that we do at ʻŌiwiTV, we're constantly talking about the perspective. And so if you want a Hawaiian perspective on a Hawaiian canoe, then you have to have people come in who have that kind of perspective. I am certain that the team can do it. Like there's this funny line that we use on board the canoe, right? I've trained my whole life for this. But I really feel like the last 5 years of what we've done in terms of building capacity, in terms of training crews, in terms of being pili to this larger idea of the worldwide voyage is our opportunity to contribute and give back to the story of the canoe.
Ua holo aku a ua ho'i pale kana mai no, but the fun and lessons have only just begun. So come along with us, the ʻŌiwiTV Ohana, as we bring you more stories from this epic worldwide voyage. O wau no ku'ulei pizela no ʻŌiwiTV. Aloha.